Mixed Conditionals, your conversation game changer. Hello, learners. Today, we are diving deep into a very interesting topic, mixed conditionals. While they may initially seem complex, understanding their use in conversations can greatly improve your English speaking skills and allow you to express complex ideas and hypothetical situations. So, let's get started. Mixed conditionals are sentences that combine different types of conditional clauses to express unreal situations. They are a combination of the second and third conditional sentences. A typical mixed conditional sentence might look like this. If I had worked harder at school, past unreal condition, I would be in a university now, present unreal result. The structure of a mixed conditional sentence usually follows one of these patterns. 1. If plus past perfect, would plus infinitive. For example, if I had taken that job, I would be richer. 2. If plus past simple, would have plus past participle. For example, if I was at home yesterday, I would have seen the postman. Remember, we use different types of mixed conditionals depending on the time we are referring to and the kind of possibility we are considering. Mixed conditionals are really helpful in conversations when discussing hypothetical situations. Let's look at a few examples. Discussing past regrets and present effects. If I had studied harder, past action that didn't happen, I wouldn't need to retake this exam. Present unreal situation. Imagining different past outcomes affecting the present. If you didn't spend all your money yesterday, past unreal condition, you would have some left today, present unreal result. By using mixed conditionals in conversations, you can clearly and efficiently express complex hypothetical situations. To truly master mixed conditionals, let's practice with some scenarios. Scenario 1. Your friend lost her keys yesterday, and because of that, she couldn't drive today. How would you express this in a mixed conditional sentence? Possible answer. If she hadn't lost her keys yesterday, she could drive today. Scenario 2. Your colleague didn't save his work on his computer yesterday, and now he has lost all his data. How would you express this? Possible answer. If he had saved his work yesterday, he wouldn't have lost all his data. Remember, practice makes perfect. Well, that's it for today, folks. I hope you now feel more confident about using mixed conditionals in your conversations. They might feel a little tricky at first, but with practice, they can become a natural part of your English speaking skills. Keep practicing, and you'll master them in no time. Happy learning!